So welcome to my new class. Today is simplification. Simplification, use of brackets. So how to use brackets? Okay. See page number 43. See example. Simplify bracket 6 minus in bracket 2 divided by 3 minus 2. But in upper side line is given. Because of why? So 3 minus 2 is grouped. Okay. You just first do 3 minus 2. So in bracket close, multiply 4 into 7 bracket close plus 8 bracket close. So here see 3 minus 2 do first, then again 2 by 2. So I was given the ATAS file, given in ATAS file. Next, use of off. Off means 5 of 7. It means 5 into 7. So 3 of 7. So 3 into 7. So BODMAS, BODMAS. B means bracket, O means off, D means division, M means multiplications, A means addition, S means subtractions. So using BODMAS rule, example page number 44, 24 plus. Okay. So here using BODMAS rule, just you take carefully, just for first bracket. Okay, in bracket, suppose outside is given division and multiplication outside is given. Not do. First do for the brackets. Okay, here activity 2 is given. Simplification. Activity 2 for number 3, 32 minus 15 plus 7 bracket into 2. Okay, using BODMAS rule. See BODMAS rule. So first binding, it means bracket, then off, then divided, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So here binding is given, but it means bracket is given, but off is not given. So division is not given. So multiplication is given, addition and subtraction is given. So 32 minus in bracket first 15 minus 7, 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. 22. 32 minus 20 equal to 22 equal to 10 into 2 equal to 20. So here do first, second. So 20 is the answer. Okay. Next. Next. Number 10. 28 plus in bracket 6 plus 3 into 27 divided by 9 by 5. Yeah, you see, you can see 27 divided by 9 by 5. You do fast, but how to do? So 27 you just divide into, you just change to multiply. Division sign you just do multiply, and see the 9 by 5 you just put 5 into upside and 9 downside. So 9 downside, 5 upside. So just exchange their positions. Okay. Now see 9 27. So how many? 9 into 3 is 27. So 3 times. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So here answer will be get 15. Okay. So using BODMAS rule, 28 plus 6 plus 3 into here 15 will come. 28 plus 6 plus 15 into 3 45. 28 plus 51 9 79. 79 is the answer. Okay. Next, of any of is given. Yes, number 12. Number 12, 9 plus 20 minus 3 of 5 plus 20 plus 40 minus 25 divided by 5 and bracket close. Okay. 9 plus 20 in bracket over minus 3 of 5 plus in bracket 20 plus 40 minus 25. Now see, using BODMAS rule. So bracket first. So bracket first means this bracket. So 9 plus 20 minus 3 of 5, 20 plus 40 minus, here you see 5. Then again write 9 plus 20 minus 3 of 5 plus, so here you see for 20 plus 40 is 60 minus 5. Then again 9 plus 20 minus 3 of 5 plus 60 minus 5 is 55. Now this bracket is finished. Now next this bracket. 9 plus 20 minus 3 of 5 means 15. 3 of 5 means 3 into 5 plus 55. Next 9 plus 20 plus 55 minus 15. So 9 plus 20 plus 55 means 75 minus 15. Equal to 9 plus 75 minus 15 means 60. So 9 plus 60 equal to 69. 60, okay, equal to 69. Let me check the answer. Okay, TD2 simplification number 12. Yes, 69 is the answer. So this is the process. First you see, first to break the brackets, then off, then division, etc. So this is the process. So by this our simplification chapter is finished. Okay. So rest of all are homework. So you do the homework carefully. So next chapter we will start factorial multiples. Okay, our chapter is finished.